So today we are solving this problem, maximum erasure value. So we are given an array of positive integer nums, and we want to erase a subarray containing all unique numbers. Okay, so the score you get by the erasing the subarrays is equal to the sum of its elements. So we have to return the maximum score we can get from erasing exactly one subarray. So we can visualize it like this. So for example, this is our nums array. Okay, so what we have to do is basically we have to find a unique subarray which has all the values unique and which is producing the maximum sum. Okay, so for example, see here 5, 10 and 3. This is a unique subarray, right? So what is the sum here? Sum here is 18, right? We have to find all of them. So for example, let's say we can take this one as well. Suppose we are taking this one, 3, 10, 20 and 30. Everything is unique here. So what would be the subarray sum here? Sum here is 63. Similarly, we can have like this also, 30 and 20. So this has 50. We can have this also, but this is having the duplicate values. 20 is duplicate, so we cannot take. So out of these all combination, we have found that this one is producing the greatest sum here, right? And all the values are unique. So 63 should be answer here. So this is what we have to do. Now next thing is how to do that. So the thing is we have to maintain the frequency, that how many times somebody has been appeared, and in a subarray it should be checked whether we are having the unique values or not. So for that what we can do is, as per given in the question, the numbers could be not be very huge. It could be like starting from 1 till 10 to the power 4. That means it's not a very huge number range. So for that what we can do is, to keep the track of frequencies of the number, we can create a frequency array, right? This is a Boolean array. Remember, this is a Boolean array of size 10 to the power 4 plus 1, right? Because we are starting from 0. So once we created this array, everyone is false, right? By default everything is false. So whenever we will traverse through this nums array, basically we are creating 3 variables. Start index, from where we are starting from 0. And this is the current sum, because we would get lot of sums locally, and this is the maximum sum, which will park the maximum value of the sum. Okay, so now we will do the execution of this code. For example, let's say we are starting with the 0, so we will start from here. So what would the sum here? So we'll check that, hey, this 5 is occurred already or not. No, so far everything is false, so 5 is coming first time. So current sum would be 0 plus 5, it would become 5. And maximum should be 0 and 5, so maximum is 5, so this also would become 5. Now what we will do is, here we will make this guy 5 at index 5, we will make it true, right? Because it has appeared once, so we will make it true like this. Okay, now we are coming here 10, that we will check that, hey, this 10 is already occurred or not. So if we go here 10, it is false, that means it is coming first time, so we will add this guy also. So cursor would be 5 plus 10, so it would become 15, right? So it would become 15. So this is, you can consider we are increasing with the I index. Okay, so we are coming here 0, then we came here, then we are coming to here 3, right? And remember, this start is still 0. Okay, now we are at this location at 3. So what is there at 3? At 3 it is false, that means it is also coming very first time. So yeah, so 10 is also occurred, so whoever is occurring, we are making them true, that yes, they have appeared. So we are making 10 also true. Now we are coming to this 3. So 3 is coming first time, because 3 is still false here. So first of all, we will add this 3, so it would become 15 plus 3, it would become 18, right? So this max sum would also till here it was maximum sum was 15, but after this become 18, so maximum sum would be 18 now, right? Because 15 and 18 is maximum, so we have to update always with the maximum value, right? So we will make this 3 also true, because 3 is also appeared now. Now next is 10, so we are making it true. Now we are coming here 10, we will check that, hey, this is coming first time or it is already appeared. So we will check here at index T, yeah, 10, it is already occurred. That means this should not be the part of our solution, right? Because it's a duplicate number if it is already true. Then what to do? So we have to do start till the time this is true. We have to keep on starting, increasing start by 1, right? So first of all, we have to remove this. So at 0 we started with the 5, we have to remove this, because we are going in sliding window protocol, right? So start would, what is there at start? It is 5. So 18 minus 5, it would become 13, right? It would become 13. So we have removed 5. So we will make this 5 equal to false, because we have removed, that means it is not appearing. So we are making it false. Okay. Now we are increasing start by 1. So we will check what is there at start 1, right? So at start 1 it is 10, right? So we will remove this 13 minus 10. So it would become 3 now. So this max value is still 18, because 13 and 3 are smaller, right? This is still 18, right? So we removed this 10. This 10 we are removing, so it became 3 here. Now we will make this 10 equal to false, because it is removed now. Okay. And yeah, so then our this thing would become, we will increase start by another, right? So our start would become now 2. Okay. But at that time, what have we were doing this only up till the time this becomes false, right? Because we stopped at this location, 10 was duplicate. So we will stop here, right? So we will not increase, right? So we are at here now. Start with became 2 here, and we stopped because 10 is now false, and we stopped at 10. So now 10 is no more, it's a duplicate, because we have removed 5 and 10. Now we are in this subarray starting from 3, right? Now we are checking, so we will proceed again, right? We will stop here. Now we are coming at here. So now we will add this guy, this 10. That, hey, is this 10 coming first time? Yes, it is coming now first time, because we have removed, because it is false. So 3 plus 10, it would become 13 now, right? So what is the max? 18 is still max, so we will not update it. Okay, now we are coming here. So 13 plus 20, it would become 33, right? So it would become 33. So yeah, this time 18 is smaller, 33 is max. So now this would become 33. So we will make this 10 now, because this 10 again appeared, right? So we have to make whoever is coming first time, we have to make them true. So this guy would become true. Similarly, this 20 is coming first time, so we have to make this guy also true, because it has anyway appeared. So we will make this guy as 10 true. Now we are coming to this 30. Hey, this 30 appeared already? No, this is coming first time. That means we can add it here. So this would become 63, right? And our this max also would become 63, because it is greater than 33. Now we have made this, we have to make this 30 also equal to true, because it is appeared now. Okay, so let me make it true. Then we are coming to this 20, that, hey, this 20 is appeared. Yes, 20 is already appeared. So if 20 is already appeared, we have to again start by 1, right? So this is start. So initially what it is 2. So 63 minus what is there at 2? At index 2 it is 3. So 63 minus 3, it would become 60, right? It would become 60. We will still increase this start by 1. So we have to keep on increasing till the time 20 become, we have to remove 20, right? So this is 3. So what is there at index 3? It is 10. So 60 minus 10, it would become 50. Okay, but see here, 20 is still true. Then we are coming here. Okay, then we are coming here. So this is 20, right? So we will remove this 20 as well. So it would become now 30, right? So whatever is appeared, we will make them false. So this 10 is appeared, 10 we have removed here. So this guy would become now false. Similarly, this 3 also would become false. Finally, we are coming here at 20. So we have removed this, right? So 50 minus 20, it became 30. And now we have to make this 20 also equal to false, right? Because we are removing them. So now once this also become false, that means we have done this thing, right? 20 is now became false. Now once it is became false, we will add this 30 plus 20, it would become 50, right? But it is not greater than 63. So 63 would be having the maximum value. So here my corresponding code here. So first of all, I am creating this frequency array of size 10,001, and then we have the start variable, I variable, max sum and current sum. So see here what we are doing, we are using one while loop, that while I is less than n. Then see here in this first while, what we are doing, we are checking whether if something is already occurred or not, right? Like every time we were reaching, for example, when we reached this second 10, we found that 10 was already occurred. So what we did in that case, we keep on removing these things, right? And we increasing started and we removing those values. So same thing we are doing here, that while start is less than I and frequency nums I is true, right? So what we are doing, we are removing that current sum equal to whatever is there, current sum minus num start, right? Just like we removed this first, we removed 5, then we removed 10, and whenever we are removing, we are making that also false, right? So once that 10 was also removed, then this became unique, right? So same thing we are doing here, that we are decreasing that whatever is there at start, and we are making this frequency num start equal to false because that we have removed. And we will keep on start plus plus till the time this frequency I becomes false, right? So once we are coming out of this loop, then we are again proceeding ahead, that current sum equal to current sum plus nums I. And see here we are updating this max sum, just like we are doing here. This max sum, we were picking only the biggest values, right? For example, when it came 13, we didn't update, it was 18, then it became 63, right? So same thing we are doing here. So and whenever we are including it into the sum, we are making that in the frequency array equal to true, because that has appeared now, and we are keep on I plus plus. So in this way, when we will come out of this loop, our maximum value would be max sum array. So maximum value would be there in maxsum variable. So let me execute this code. So I am running this code, I have already executed it, and let me try to submit it. So we are doing this in single pass. So we are taking O of n time complexity, it is 97.88% faster, and we are taking the extra space here, that is O of n. But see, you guys can observe one thing here, that we are using boolean array, not set. So we are using this boolean array because it is bit faster. So thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any concern, you can definitely make a comment over there. Thank you.